Hi everyone, welcome to the topic quick introduction about structural steel connection. Any structure's connection is more important even if it is RC structure or steel structure. Normally we are giving focus on structural steel design, but we are giving less focus on structural steel connection. So I thought to give this small introduction about structural steel connection. It will be helpful for the beginners who is not having idea about the structural steel connection. Why connection? So connection is almost most important thing for any structure. It is RC structure or steel structure. Even for a human body, connection is more important. Even our hand, our leg, just mainly connected to the our body. So connections are always needed to connect two members, and it is necessary to ensure function and compactness of the structure. Via connections only, the forces are transmitted from one component to another or one member to another member. Generally, connections are designed more conservative manner than the member design because modification of connection is very difficult after the erection stage. Members we can strengthen by adding some plates, but same thing implementation on connection is very difficult and it's not cost effective. Then connection methods. The primary methods of connections are bolting and welding. Our structure strength depends on proper use of these connection methods. Sometimes our member can carry more load, but if the capacity of connection is very less, then the structure will fail. So always we have to ensure and we have to use the proper connection methods. Connections we can made it in fabrication shop, which are called shop connections. Connections made it in the field are called field connections. Field connections are typically bolded. Welding may be used for field connections where bolting is either impractical or undesirable. Welding is better suited to the controlled environment of fabrication shop because we can maintain the quality in fabrication shop by some quality procedures, and we can do some tests like a UV test to ensure the strength of the weld. But doing the same test in site is difficult, and it will create more cost to the project also. So it is always preferred to be controlled environment. Next, we are seeing common terms used in structural steel connections are connection plates, clit angles, fin plates, gussets, end plates, splice plates, rivets, connection bolts, anchor bolts, base plates, stiffener, continuity, hunch, weld, electrode, etc. Generally, the connection weight of the structure in the range of 5 to 15% of the frame weight, but for a normal typical structure, it will not exceed more than 10%. Some special structures will go up to the 15%, and the cost of the connection reaches up to 30% of the total cost and even more sometimes. Always efficient connections helps us for the lowest detailing, easy fabrication and easiest erection. Here some picture is there. Just to understand the common terms, just I kept this picture. We will go one by one. First one is connection plate. Connection plate is nothing but the plate which is used to connect any two members. That plate is called connection plate. The next is clit angle. You can see there is a column and beam and it is connected with an angle. So this angle is called clit angle. This angle is bolted through beam and this angle is welded with the column. So this is called welded connection, and the angle is bolted to beam, it is called bolted connection. Then next is fin plates. You can see there is a same column and beam, and there is a single plate welded on this column, and this beam will be bolted with this plate. So this plate is called fin plate connection or single plate connection. Then next is gusset plate. You can see there is a steel column and there is a plate welded on side, and there is a vertical bracing. One angle is connected on this plate. So wherever vertical bracing and horizontal bracing is there, we are using this gusset plates to connect the member, that vertical brace or horizontal brace with the vertical column or any beams. Then next, end plate. End plate where we are using is mainly we are using in moment connections as well as beam to beam connections. You can see here there is a column and there is a beam. At the end of the beam, you can see there is a plate welded with this beam, and this plate is bolted with this column flange. So this plate is called end plate. And also you can see this image, there is a beam here and there is a beam here, but both end of the beam there is a plate is there, and this plate will be always welded with this beam. Then these bolts are using to connect these two end plates. So this is called end plate connection. And next is rivets. Rivets is like bolts, but nowadays we are not using, we are using only the bolted connections. So this is connection bolts. You can see in these images here, bolts are represented. You can see in all the connections. Then anchor bolts. So anchor bolts are generally used to connect the RC steel column to RC pedestal. You can see this image here. There is a bolt between this RC pedestal to this plate. So this bolt is called anchor bolt, and there is a plate welded underside of the steel column. So this blue color plate is called the base plate. Then next is stiffener. You can see there is a plate running between these two flanges, even in this horizontal direction, even diagonal also. So this diagonal and this horizontal plates are called continuity plates or stiffener plates. It will helps to strengthen the web area. So mainly it is used in moment connections as well as for deeper beam places. And next is haunch. Haunch, you can see here some like this beam depth is something extended at end of the column location. And this is mainly to accommodate the connection forces, and while doing connection design, this haunch is required. This haunch we are taking from the cutty of the this top portion beam, and we are welding at bottom of this flange. And electrode is nothing but an electrode is a material which is used for weld to, and our weld strength is always depends on this electrode. Next is non-standardization difficulties. For a particular project or structure, using n number of types of connections, different bolt grades, sizes, different weld types and thickness, different geometry always will lead to increase the possibility of error during fabrication and erection. It impact on manpower also. It impact overall cost and quality maintenance, time consumption on design and detailing side as well. So always we have to keen on standardization for any project. The standardization will helps to solve all the issues mainly on manpower, overall cost, quality maintenance, fabrication and some other geometry errors also. It reduces the procurement problem because we are purchasing the huge quantity for the limited sizes, so we can get the procurement easily also. It helps us to negotiate the cost and it reduces the cost for the project also, and it is very effective during the handling time at the time of erection stage at the site. Then common ways of connection. Most important part of steel structure is connection. So proper treatment of connection is important for safe and economic structure. The load path and structural mechanism knowledge is unavoidable for designing a safe and economic connection design. Designer and a detailer need a knowledge of basic understanding of connections, how it is working, what is good and poor practice will solve the most of the issues arises at site. So the three common ways of connection types are, the first one is rivet, which is used in earlier days. Nowadays, it is unpreferred because of many advantages of bolted connections. Next one is high strength bolts. Third one is welded connections. Here some pictorial representation of riveted, bolted, and welded connections. You can see the riveted connections. Huge number of rivets placed it here, and you can see some bolted shear connections. You can see them cause some column to beam full welded connection. We are at the end. Thank you for watching the full presentation. Please support to create the more content.